Do you have a dull wall, a lifeless fence, or a plain wall that needs more than just paint? Imagine covering that space with a cascade of vibrant flowers, reds, purples, blues, yellows, blossoms that open to the sun, attract butterflies, and turn any corner into a floral paradise. Today, I'll show you 12 stunning flowering vines that you can use to decorate walls, fences, pergolas, or columns. Some bloom all year round, others have delicious fragrances, but they all share one thing in common. They fill your home with natural beauty and vibrant color. Listen closely, because I'll share their characteristics, care tips, flower colors, and everything you need to know to choose the best one for your space. Climbing roses. Climbing roses are romantic, elegant, and full of charm. Unlike traditional rose bushes, these varieties are designed to grow upward, covering walls, pergolas, or arches. You can find them in white, red, pink, peach, or even bicolored shades. They require full sun, fertile, well-draining soil, and regular pruning to guide their growth and promote flowering. Some varieties bloom multiple times a year, filling the air with their classic fragrance. They are ideal for creating a garden with a traditional or vintage feel. Chilean jasmine or Dipladenia. This vine has trumpet-shaped flowers in intense colors such as red, pink, fuchsia, and white. It blooms for several months and its shiny foliage provides a striking contrast. It has a moderate growth rate and adapts very well to pots with trellises or small pergolas. It needs sunlight but can also tolerate partial shade, moderate watering, and well-drained soil. It's an excellent option for balconies or small spaces with plenty of sun. Ipomea, quamoclit, or morning glory. This fast-growing vine produces star-shaped flowers that open in the morning and close in the afternoon. They come in red, white, pink, and lavender shades. It's perfect for quickly covering fences or railings and attracts hummingbirds and butterflies, and it prefers full sun, frequent watering, and light soil. Though it's an annual, it often self-seeds and returns the following season. Blue jasmine. With its clusters of sky blue flowers, this plant adds a touch of freshness and visual softness. Although it can grow as a shrub, it can also be trained as a vine if given support. It needs plenty of sunlight but can also thrive in partial shade. It blooms much of the year and only requires light pruning and moderate watering. It's heat-tolerant and perfect for covering medium-sized walls with a clean, relaxed look. Petrea volubilis or queen's wreath. This vine produces cascading clusters of purple flowers that look like paper. It mainly blooms in spring and summer and adapts very well to warm climates. It needs full sun, frequent watering, and fertile soil. It's excellent for pergolas, tall fences, or main entrances where its intense blooming can truly stand out. It's a plant that draws attention with both color and texture. Garlic vine or Mansoa alliacea. This surprising vine gives off a garlic scent when you rub its leaves, and it produces flowers that change color over time, from violet to lilac and finally white. It blooms multiple times a year, grows rapidly, and adapts to both sun and partial shade. It needs a sturdy support, regular watering, and is ideal for covering wide walls or columns. It also has traditional medicinal uses. Banksiae rose, or Lady Banks's rose. This climbing rose is thornless and known for its explosive blooming. It produces thousands of small flowers in white or pale yellow, covering the entire plant once a year. It's perfect for pergolas or large walls. It requires full sun, well-drained soil, and pruning after flowering to stimulate new growth. Its blooming is so abundant that it looks like a cloud of flowers. Black-eyed Susan vine or Thunbergia alata. This vine has cheerful flowers in orange, yellow, or cream, with a dark center that resembles an eye. It's ideal for hanging baskets, fences, or small walls. It blooms for months, adapts to full sun or partial shade, and only needs consistent watering and support to climb. It's perfect to add a joyful, dynamic touch to any space. Dipladenia. Similar to the mandevilla, this plant produces large, showy flowers in red, pink, or white. There are compact varieties and others that climb easily. They are very resistant to sun, drought, and pests. They bloom from spring until late autumn, and their shiny foliage makes them even more decorative, ideal for pots, balconies, or medium-sized walls with good sun exposure. Trigonocarus uniflora, or golden chain vine. This exotic plant produces hanging clusters of yellow flowers, like a golden waterfall. Perfect for pergolas or tall structures. It needs full sun, consistent moisture, and well-drained soil. It's not very common, but if you manage to find it, it's an excellent option to create a visually striking and unique effect. Cathedral bells. Its hanging, bell-shaped flowers, usually in purple or violet tones, give it an elegant and mysterious air. It prefers partial shade, soil rich in organic matter, and frequent watering. It's perfect for partially shaded walls or tropical-style gardens. It attracts pollinators and adds texture and movement to any vertical structure. Clitoria ternatea, or butterfly pea flower. Its deep blue flower is stunning, like it was painted by hand. It climbs easily, blooms for several months, and also has medicinal and culinary uses. It's used in infusions for its antioxidant properties and as a natural food coloring. It prefers sunlight, moderate watering, and a sturdy support. There are also white and pink varieties, but the blue one is the most sought after for its intensity. These 12 flowering vines don't just decorate,